I think I messed up. Trying to trade Forex with only $50. Here's what happened. So, trading Forex with a low deposit, say 50 to 200 USD, sounds tempting, right? Well, here's the lowdown. On the plus side, a small deposit means less money at risk. It's a great way to dip your toes in the water without diving in head first. And it gives you a chance to learn the ropes and test strategies without breaking the bank. But, and this is a big but, it also means limited potential profits. Small deposits can be eaten up quickly by market fluctuations. Plus, there's the temptation to over-leverage, which can lead to bigger losses fast. In my opinion, starting small can be a great way to learn. Think of it as paying for your education in Forex trading. Just remember, patience and discipline are key. Don't expect to turn $50 into a fortune overnight. So, is it smart or risky? A bit of both. Happy trading.